This video is for all the gearheads who can appreciate having the right tool for the job, and maybe you want to get a premium option. So right here we've got the Tusk spinning T-handles. You've got two different sets. So the first set is the Hex wrench set, and then the second set is the Torx wrench set. Now, the Hex wrench set, it comes with sizes ranging from 2 millimeters all the way up to 10. And then we've got the Torx wrench set. So the size range is the T10 all the way up to the T50. So these are gonna fit all of your common fasteners on dirt bikes, adventure bikes, your side-by-side, and even ATVs. And each kit, it's gonna come with this metal holder. The holder can be mounted to the wall. It has some cutouts in the back, so you can just screw it on there. And these are gonna be easy for you to access. Now, let me get into why these are a premium set. So with these, they're Chrome Vanadium Steel. They have a corrosion-resistant finish, and then they're sliding T-handles. So if you have an area where you need some leverage, but you don't quite have enough depth right here, you can simply slide the top of the T-handle over so you do have that depth. And then they have the free spinning handle. That way when you're removing fasteners, it's quick and easy. Same thing with installation. So that's your closer look at these T-handles. Again, they are a premium option. So if you need some fresh tools for your shop, look no further. You can find these on our website. Just click the link in the description below. Orders over $75 ship free. And if you want to see more helpful content like this, subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.